Welcome back, Office Executives, for our example 3. Here in this data, we have some name and then address and consumption and then meter type. Now I want to fetch the home number, not the street address, but I want to pull out the just the home number out of this data. So home. So what prompt should I be giving to ChatGPT? So let me move to ChatGPT and write here that how to pull out text before comma from a cell in Excel. Generate an Excel formula for that. Let's see what ChatGPT has got it to offer. Okay, so it has given a formula, and what it is writing is a find comma a1, find the position of the first comma, left a1, return all character before that comma. To extract the text before the comma in a cell, for example a1, so it is assuming that my data is from a1, but here in my Excel sheet I have the data from a b2, from b2, yeah, from b2. Control V, let me paste the value, and so here the value would be from b2, and instead of find, here I will be giving b2. Let's hit enter. So in this way I have pulled out the home address, the home and the street address are this one. So let me also see whether ChatGPT can help me to pull out the street address as well. So again I will be going to ChatGPT and just writing that write an Excel formula to pull out the text after comma from a cell in Excel. So that's a Excel formula. I don't need to write Excel one more time. Write an Excel formula to pull out the text after comma from a cell. Generate a formula for the same. Let's see what ChatGPT has got me to offer. That's a plain English. Okay, so let me copy code and just move to Excel, and here it will be street address, and here I'll be pasting in the value. So instead of a1, we are having the street address, the address within in from b2, and here this will be b2. Also the lane won't be a1, it would be b2. Let's hit enter. Okay, so here by mistake I have given a brace. So find b2, and okay, so let me again just correct the formula. Here it will be a1, it will be b2, this will also be b2, and here instead of a1 this will be b2. Let's hit enter. Okay, so here is the street address. So in this way I have used I have used ChatGPT to find out the two of the problem set, that is how to just pull out the home address and how to pull out the street address. So here the prompt, here it was how to pull out text before comma from a cell in Excel, generate an Excel formula for that. So if I write it in plain English in ChatGPT, and it has also given an explanation to it, and for the second problem set it has also generated a formula for the which formula should we be using with Excel. So this is my example 3. Let's move on, and let's work on with some other examples using ChatGPT in Excel. Thank you all guys, and